So our next speaker is Justin Camerena. He is from Bitrefill, and he's going to be talking about the Thor API, making Lightning reliable for platforms. Let's welcome Justin.
Oh, thanks. Hello, everyone. I'm Justin. I work at Bitrefill. I'm a software engineer there. Bitrefill is a gift card provider. We were one of the first ones to accept Lightning and phone top-ups. So this presentation is going to be about Lightning services. So for our Lightning services, we have three major ones right now currently. Thor channel capacity. So this is liquidity for channels, mobile wallets. Basically, it allows you to receive payments. It opens the channel to you. Turbo Thor channels, which is a channel with liquidity with a push balance. So you're able to buy a channel with a Bitcoin balance that's also able to receive when opened. And it also works instantly. So when it opens to you, you're able to push payments right away. And our last and newest service is Thor Recharge. So you're able to send payments over. You're able to pay a Lightning invoice and use any of our payment methods to fulfill this order. So one of the major technologies we use right now is LNURL. It's our HTTPS big32 encoded query string. It's open source. So before any of the newest tech right now, we were using this to be able to talk to mobile wallets, to be able to pass in node info, and have the mobile wallets connect out. Because previously, if other liquidity service, what they do is they ask for your node ID, and if it's a mobile wallet, you cannot usually connect out to the service or node unless you're opening a channel. This allows it all to be done in one action. You scan a QR code, the wallet passes on the node ID, it connects to the node, and the channel's opened. So this is like an open standard that we're hoping to push. There are also other use cases for LNURL. We have it for withdrawals. There's for payments, multi-path payments. Usually it's open working ground to have newer features before they're sort of standardizing the spec. So for our first service, as a user-facing service for power users that wants to manage channels, we have the Thor channel opening service. So users face liquidity challenges in receiving payments when they're a user, or maybe there are entities such as merchants who have a huge volume of payments coming in. So they may want to purchase a channel to be able to receive payments reliably. And as we are a big node with large inbound payments, we naturally have a lot of inbound capacity. So some news on the Thor front, we have changed the range and pricing to be from any amount from 0.005 Bitcoin to the max channel size. We lowered the pricing. We want to make it even lower, but one of the reasons why it's so high right now, or it was high, was due to the commit fee. So the initiator of channels usually is the one who actually pays for the channel closings and the forced closings. So we're on the hook for this pricing and charges on us and fee rates. So we did an analysis on how much it's been costing us to provide these Thor channels, and based on that, we've lowered the prices, and hopefully in the future we can lower them further. So as an API front, I think it's useful for businesses or entities or services to be able to have a way to open more capacity to your service. Entities can purchase this and have it automatically open a shell to them. It can be as a fallback, used by wallets. We have an API document on GitHub. We're able to see all the ways where you're able to purchase these. So here's a simple example using our REST API. I've skipped the API key, API secret setup. That's pretty straightforward. In the package amount, you set how much satoshis you want for the channel. You purchase the channel. In this case, we return the LNURL, and you're able to do whatever you want with it. Show it as a QR code to a user, automatically decode it, and set a node key and have it open the channel. For our second service, we have Thor Turbo channels. Here's the user-facing view when a user purchases it on our front end. You can give it away as a gift. Basically, it's a QR code using the LNURL where supported wallets scan it, and they're able to instantly spend the balance in these channels and receive funds. In this case, we provide double the capacity incoming of the Bitcoin bot. And this work has sort of inspired other further derivatives of other channels where you can receive instantly as well, unconfirmed. They're otherwise known as zero-comp channels. We've lowered the fees here as well, and we moved away from static packages and have it range, so you can purchase a 500,000 Satoshi balance up to basically half the max channel capacity, with the rest being incoming capacity. So the API is very similar to the Thor API. Instead of putting Lightning channel, you put Turbo Lightning channel. You select the value package, which is the amount of Bitcoin being bought, and the response provides a LN URL, which you're able to show to a user or automatically decode and send the node ID. So for our API, it can be used as the use cases around this, I think, are, say, a premium service who is not currently using Lightning and wants to enable withdrawals over Lightning, but going through us. We provide the channel and onboard users that way. Initial wallet onboarding for mobile wallets. And our latest service is Thor Recharge. So you can pay a Lightning invoice through any of our payment methods. Originally, we did this because we wanted to see Coinbase users have access to Lightning. So currently, they don't support Lightning, and with this way, we accept them as a payment method, and any user on Coinbase can pay a Lightning invoice. So this is the user-facing view. We have the amount set, but in this case, you can just paste an invoice and pay anything with any of our payment methods, altcoins as well. We have WebLN support to automatically have the invoice pasted. The good thing about this is you can embed it in any mobile wallet, any Lightning wallet, and have your mobile Lightning wallet topped up with any of our payment methods, as well as showing all of our gift cards that we hold internationally. So for the API, it's very similar as well, but in this case, we have a number field which we put in the Lightning invoice, and setting the value package is not necessary there. And we also support ZeroConf for under 200 euros. So this helps the user experience of onboarding users instantly, right when they pay a Bitcoin amount, to have a channel open. I think this is useful for entities wanting to support Lightning payments initially. You can top up existing Lightning wallets, or you can use it as a failover. So further improvements I want to add is adding Tor support. Currently, we don't support Thor over LN URL. I think the IP is static to our IPv6, IPv4. I want to have a new service for businesses wanting to move Lightning funds on-chain, as other services have. So, and also, we've been thinking of having a guaranteed capacity service for businesses. Basically, guarantee a service for a monthly fee or something that will always have incoming capacity in their direction. If you want to reach out for tech-related reasons, reach out to me, justin@berryfield.com, or for business, sergey@berryfield.com. Thanks.
Sergey from Sapo.com. Thanks a lot for the great pitch. Are you going to provide kind of outgoing capacity for merchants to be able to send funds from via some trusted peers?
Can you repeat the last part?
I mean, are you going to provide outgoing capacity channels we store to be able to send funds to? Yeah.
Yes.
Is it in your roadmap? I mean, where are you going to release such feature?
So it's already out right now. It's already out. You would contact me, and I'll give you the API link to sign up, and you can use this right now.
Great, but it's not public yet.
Yes, it's public right now. It's live. You just need to request an API key.
I mean, outgoing capacity, not incoming.
Yes. So as in for payments, right?
Yeah.
Send payments. Yeah. So you would be able to use the Turbo channels, and you don't have to have a client supporting ZeroConf channels. You would just wait until confirmation, and you would be able to send outbound.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, great.
Great. Thanks, everyone.